Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about controlling the flow of your Python programs. We will cover essential concepts like if-else statement for making decisions and for-while loops for repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about if-else statement. These are like decision makers in your code. They allow your program to take different paths based on conditions. First, we will assign a variable for an integer value. So let's try in x equals to 10. And then if statement, x is greater than 5, colon, print it out using the print function. And then a string value, x is greater than 5. After this first line of code, hit enter. And then type in the else statement, colon, print it out. And then type in x is less than 5. Now, we click on run to see what the code will actually look like in the output. In this example, we check if the variable x is greater than 5, which our x is 10. If it is, we print x is greater than 5. Otherwise, we print x is less than 5. So, as you know, 10 is greater than 5, therefore we print x is greater than 5. But if we change the variable to, let's say, 3, which is less than 5, click on run. In the terminal, it shows x is less than 5 because 3 is less than 5. Next up, let's talk about while loops. These loops keep executing a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. They are useful when you want to repeat a task until a specific condition is met. So here's how a while loop works. Let's get rid of this block of code. Type in a variable count equals to 0, and then while loop, and then your variable name, which is count, is less than 5, and then colon, print it using the print function, just so we know how it looks like, count, and then colon, comma, and then the variable name, which is count. Hit on enter, then your variable name, again, equal to count, plus 1. Click on run. As you can see in the terminal, it counts from 0 to 4. In this example, the loop keeps printing the value of count as long as it's less than 5. We increase the value of count by 1 in each iteration until the condition becomes false, therefore stopping the loop. So in here, the program cannot count more than 5 because in our program it states while count is less than 5. But if we change it to 10, click on run, it will count 0 to 9. That's how it works. Now let's move on to for loop. A for loop in Python is a control flow statement that is used to repeatedly execute a group of statements as long as the condition is satisfied. So let's lower the terminal a bit, and then I will show you how to do a for loop statement. Just type in a variable fruits equal to, we're gonna make a list of strings. So apple, another quotation mark, banana, comma, and then orange. Now, we're gonna use the for statement for fruit in fruits, and then colon. Then we're gonna print it out using your print function, fruit, then hit on run. In this example, the loop iterates over each item in the list fruits and prints it. So it will print apple, banana, and orange one by one. And that wraps up your exploration of if-else statement, while loops, and for loops in Python. These constructs are powerful tools for controlling the flow of your programs and making them more dynamic and responsive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you become more confident in your Python programming skills. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Python tutorial videos. Peace!